That I managed to sort things out. So we have the chapati flour over there, ugali flour, some dengos, salt, spaghetti, and some other things. And here we have the rice tin, the sugar tin, the rice tin, the ugali of chapati tin, and ugali unga or chapati, unga ugali tin. Some commanders. Behind there is some dengus and some beans, yellow beans, and I am happy with that part that is done. Then up there we have some juice, some soda, some leftover go fruit juice, cling film, foil, steel wire, banga soap, and down here we have all the toilet extras. We have glass cleaner, magni, dishwashing paste, shampoo, some Aremis, some extra soaps, some shower gel, Vim, and so much more, guys, on that side. And lastly, here we have the cereals, and I have some bases over there, and this is the spaghetti mkebe. On this other side, I managed to have the coffee there, the tomato paste, the extra serviettes, ones for the car, some extra toilets towel which goes into this. I have my kitchen towels, my sufurias, some drinking chocolate here, some measuring cups, extra dishes, fridge for storing food in the fridge. There's my microwave, my spices, some what are they called? Pasta and sauces, my air fryer, electric cooker, air fresheners, tea or coffee maker, pans, baking thing, fruits there, mangoes are in season. These ones I got from Warm Sharks. Some tomatoes I found to be too big and I bought like a lot of them. Some more fruits, bananas, and maziwa iko hapo chini. And that's more like it, guys. And here I have rice. I have some 5 kgs from a friend. I have some 20 kgs from a friend. Guys, you need to have friends like mine. And that, guys, is my kitchen. Here we have the kettle, water boiling kettle, my spoons, eating spoons and serving spoons, cooking spoons which are wooden, these ones, some knives, silicone cooking spoons, a knife set, blender, and the dish rack with some extra cups up there, and the oven glove, a scissor, and the gas lighter. And that is about all about it, guys. Then on this side we have the freezer, which mostly has meats, starting with this must be beef. Yes, guys, this is beef. And I bought beef without knowing that I had more beef. This is rabbit meat, this is chicken, this is fish, this is green maize, this is buttersquash soup, some chicken brown for mikate, some more meat which is cooked but frozen, and down here we have some more fruits, a bottle of Fanta that I bought and did not drink. I have some mint for making cocktails. I have some garlic mayo for sandwiches. Then I have mustard, which is Heinz. I have soda, blackcurrant, my favorite. I have mojito, which is a cold fruit, for my cocktails. Yogurt, my son. We have some food on top here, some fruits and bell peppers, more fruits, melon, favorite, chapatis there, guys, some rice, some spaghetti which is cooked. This is food that we cooked yesterday and should be eaten in the next 1 or 2 days. Some more melon, some more fruits, grapes. There's some soup for them. It was soup for what? It was soup for the for the rice. This is fish curry. I will be showing you guys how to make that very soon. Then we have eggs, and then we have the fresh box where we have some fruits, a cabbage. This is lettuce. The cabbage is back there. Some carrots down there, and some oranges here, guys. And that is the end of our kitchen tour. Bye.